As you can see, my
shape of
client has
line
a
with
duct
comb
dynasty
over.
beard. It's getting in the way of his personal life, and he can't even consume food. The first step to the shaving process is to use Barber salt and scrub it very deep into his pores to remove all excess oil, dirt, and debris. Then we're going to throw on a hot towel for 2 to 5 minutes, applying pressure to get it deep in there. To make this process a little bit more relaxing, we're going to apply peppermint oil. Now, we're going to go in with our hot lather, the Wall 1919 hot lather to be exact. This is perfect for hot shaves. Throw another hot towel on for another 2 to 5 minutes, and then another layer of
This
hot
is a
lather.
huge transformation for a beard, and if you're looking for some
in there.
relaxing beard transformation,
down, slow strokes, pause,
then watch
and we'll let
this
the razor do the work.
video.
Let the magic happen for itself. One step at a time. Now we're gonna throw one last layer of hot lather, one last hot towel, and one last smooth shave. As you can see, he's a completely different man. He has a fresh start. He can fully consume food now. If you're in the Durham region, tap the link in the bio.